This is 4.3, writing equations of parallel and perpendicular lines, continued. Before we looked at just parallel lines, now we're looking at only perpendicular lines. So perpendicular lines are lines in the same plane, meaning they're on the same surface, that intersect to form right angles. Non-vertical lines are perpendicular if and only if their slopes are negative reciprocals. That means if I have 1/2, the negative reciprocal means you flip it and change the sign in front. So the negative reciprocal of 1/2 is -2/1. All vertical lines are perpendicular to horizontal lines. So you can't flip the fraction if there's a 0, because you'll get undefined. And undefined is not a fraction. We cannot divide by 0. So just know vertical lines and horizontal lines are perpendicular. So which of these lines are perpendicular? I have line A is 3x plus 5. Line B is y equals -1/3 x minus 4. And line C is x plus 3y equals 12. So first I see slope of line A is 3x, and the slope of line B is -1/3 x. These are negative reciprocals, because 3/1, flip it, is 1/3, and reverse the sign. If I solve line C and put it in y equals mx plus b, I see that it also has a slope of -1/3. So that means that A is perpendicular to B and C, but I also know that B and C are parallel because they have the same slope. Write the equation of a line that is perpendicular to y equals 1/4 x minus 9. My slope is 1/4, so I need to take the negative reciprocal of 1/4, which is -4, and then I get to choose what my new b value is. So I have -4 is my new slope, and I chose +2. This b value can be anything. Now write the equation of a line that is perpendicular to y equals 6/7x plus 1. So the negative reciprocal of 6/7 is -7/6. And then choose a b value. I chose 4. Now for this one, it has to also contain the point 2, 6. Negative reciprocal of 2/3 is -3/2, but it has to have this point. This is not an intercept, so I'm going to start by writing it in point-slope form. So taking my new slope and the point, I plug it in. It does not say which form it has to be in, so this is going to be my answer. Now write an equation in slope-intercept form that is perpendicular to 4x plus y equals 20 and contains 3, 7. So if I take 4x plus y equals 20, write it in slope-intercept form, my slope is -4. The negative reciprocal of -4 is a positive 1/4. And it has to contain 0.37. So again, I'm starting with point-slope form. Just plug in my values that I know. And I need to solve for y. So first, I need to distribute this 1/4 to x and 1/4 to -3. So I get y minus 7 equals 1/4 x minus 3/4. So 3/1 times 1/4 is 3/4. Now I solve for y, so I add 7 to each side. And 7 is equal to 28/4. I have to have common denominators to add fractions. So -3 plus 28 is 25/4. So my answer is y equals 1/4 x plus 25/4. And this is slope intercept form. So this is my answer.